how it is written, it's exactly same as we wrote Thaa and Ba, except the dots are 3 in this case. We still go through and just read it out. So it is written with a single stroke. Okay, written with a single stroke. It begins from the right with a slightly curved. Okay, it begins with the right. So as we know, we have to write from right to left in Arabic. So it begins from right with slightly curved. Okay, downward horizontal stroke followed by a vertical. So that's horizontal stroke, and then followed by a vertical curve, slightly curved. Okay, ending with an upward slightly curved horizontal stroke. So this stroke gives it a shape like canoe-like shape. Okay, it has 3 dots above it. Okay, and it rests on the line, similar to Ba and Thaa. Okay, if it's written separate, unconnected with any other letter, so we write like, okay, sorry, red color. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. If it's written in the beginning, okay, 1, 2, 3. If it's written in the middle, 1, 2, 3. If it's written at the end, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can connect them from here. Connect this bit. Okay. And if you write it like this, okay, because it is a connector, so you can see it can be connected from before or after.